Long ago, humans had no transportation. They had to walk everywhere, carrying everything by hand. Carrying heavy loads made travel slow, difficult, and exhausting. People began dragging objects along the ground to make movement easier. They discovered that rolling objects on logs made movement faster and smoother. Humans began using animals to pull heavy loads and travel longer distances. They created sleds, which slid across the ground more easily than dragging. One of the greatest inventions was the wheel, a simple round object that could roll. Wheels allowed objects to move smoothly over the ground. People built carts to carry goods and travel more efficiently. Transportation made it easier to travel, connect, and trade with others. Humans also used water, building boats to travel across rivers and lakes. Riding animals allowed faster and longer journeys. People began creating roads to make travel smoother and more organized. Trade routes connected distant places, allowing goods and ideas to spread. From walking to wheels, transportation evolved step by step, changing human life forever.